Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block adults website on iPhone. Now if you want to do this, simply open up your settings. Once you are in the settings, you want to scroll a little bit down until you see the screen time section. Just simply tap on it. Once you are here in the screen time section, simply scroll a little bit down, then go to this content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and I believe you do have to set up a pin code for this. So here at the top you want to enable and toggle this on content and privacy restrictions, and here we can see store web, Siri and game center content. Tap on it, and then here we can see web content. Tap on it. It's currently unrestricted, but you want to set it to limit adult websites. So once you have set that up, it will automatically filter the most of the adult websites and at least the ones they recognize. And then here you can also add a website which you can always allow, or that specific website that you never want to allow, which didn't get added before. Now this is a very good, but this usually just mostly works on Safari. On Google you can still pretty much find these adult websites by searching for them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.